Hello again, welcome to another ultra exciting unboxing video. You'll see in front of you, it's pretty obvious what this is all about. It's the Ifixit Manta driver kit. This is a sort of larger kit that I just got in, which is the 112 individual bits for opening a whole range of awkward devices. I've actually got one of the sort of original ones, which I use quite a lot actually, but I decided that there was a few other bits and pieces that I needed access to which weren't in that kit, and being bored I thought it's time to buy something else. So this has arrived. As you can see, it has not even been opened. Seals are still intact, so there you go. You can see at the back here it gives you a list of all the sizes, all the types, just in case you sort of try to figure out what ones you need yourself. But rather than be babbling on, why don't we see about getting in and seeing what the packaging is like. So we'll quickly clip that and do the same at the top. I should of course use like a hairdryer or something to neatly burst it, but what the heck, it's going to be in a state soon enough. So we will slide this out, and we get quite a pretty little box. That slides out the side, look at that. Hard plastic, and that just lifts straight off. So in the blurb, they've got a little grid put in here so you can put your screws in and lay things out, which is quite handy. I'm forever losing screws. Other nice part is when you drop it on, I don't know if you've seen that in the corners, it's magnetic, so it just closes. So if you put it in a bag or a rucksack, it's going to pop open, so be careful with that. But let's lift this off and let's have a little look. Silica gel, let's get rid of that. And yeah, well there you go. I mean, it's just a collection of driver bits. It's quite interesting. Kind of little marks, spotty marks on that. All neatly laid out. For my eyesight, a little bit difficult to see the black numbering there, but shine a light on it, it'll be fine. And for this kit we've got two different screwdriver end, which is quite good that we can hold that. That spins round, which is quite good. And smaller one, same idea, makes things a little bit easier. And as I say, there's a whole range of parts there, and to be honest there's not much point me going through and pointing them out and explaining what they are, considering that you can quickly look at that or go to their website and see what it's like. Quality wise on it, it's very well presented. One thing that I've noticed is different, all of the drivers are all longer now, so if I actually get my original kit, you'll probably actually see that if I just take one of the packs out there. There, for example, is the various driver bits. And if you look at the length, they're all slightly longer and narrower, so you can get into tighter holes, which is quite good. So that in itself is actually well worth it. But other than that, it's a driver kit. You know, I suppose you could pick up these tools individually, but it's always nice to have something that's presented in a nice way. Everything's in one place. And with iFixit, they have their no quibble guarantee that if you do anything, break anything, etc., they'll replace it for you. So there we go. We have opened it up, had a little look at it, and we've actually got a repair we're going to do. But that's the next video. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you again.